is Tiger55093 with another Mailtime video.
Ride, my little bunnies!
What are you doing?
I'm racing the bunnies!
You're so cruel. Alright, here we go.
They wanted these.
Oh, look, it's from you. You're awesome. Thank you. Oh my gosh, caged phantoms?
You're welcome.
Wow. Just, wow, I don't know what to say.
Ha, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. Here, LOL. Oh, a freedom hat. Thank you, Barry. Barry's my buddy. Hello, Barry. Hello. Animal Jam rocks. A night helmet. Thank you. Yo, what's up? Here you go. Ooh, a seashell necklace. Thank you, doggy. You are really nice. Aw, thank you. Oh, a welcome mat. Thanks. You are so cool. Ooh, a bunny plushie. Animal Jam rocks. Yes, it surely does. Ooh, a wheelbarrow. Thank you. You? Animal Jam rocks. Ooh, a wave necklace. That's pretty. Hey, dude. Hey. Hat and curly wig. Oh, did I forget to mention, she's from my school, too. Bless you.
Thank you.
Pirate bandana. Thanks. Another one from Wolfie. Anchor ball cap. You are my favorite. Oh, thank you, Dipper Dog. Oh my gosh!
Whoa.
Oh my god, that is awesome! Thank you! Would you trade your headdress for a rare headdress? No.
Nope.
From your BFF. Oh, thank you. Jam on. Oh my god, it's a tree! Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. Another wheelbarrow. Thank you. I'll trade you my rare blue bow for your rare bow. No, thank you. I have a blue bow. Monkey plushie. Thank you. Hi. Well, hi back to you. Ooh, a friendship bracelet. Thank you. Trade me. Ooh, a moon necklace. Thank you, Noogie. Hi. Hi there again. Bunny plushie. Get more people, huh? Well, that's what the heck? Okay. Okay then. That's okay. Well, that's all for today. Oh. Okay. Bye.